Definition of stock is plain and simple. A stock is a share in the ownership of a company. A stock represents a claim on the company's assets and earnings. As you acquire more stock, your ownership stake in the company becomes greater. Whether you say share, equity, stock, it all means the same thing. Being an owner, holding a company's share means that you are one of the many owners or say shareholders of a company, and as such you have a claim, usually a very tiny claim, to everything the company owns. Yes, this means that technically you own every tiny sliver of every piece of furniture, every trademark, and every contract of the company. As an owner, you are entitled to your share of the company's earnings as well as any voting rights attached to the stock. A stock is represented by a stock certificate. This is a fancy piece of paper that is proof of your ownership. In today's computer age, you won't actually see that paper, see that document, because your brokers keep these records electronically, which is also known as holding shares in the street name. This is done to make the shares easier to trade. In the past, when a person wanted to sell his or her share, that person physically took the share down to the broker. And now trading with a click of the mouse or on a phone call makes the life easier for everybody. We will surely bring the videos on the updates of the share markets on this channel. So if you have not subscribed it yet, then do it now for regular new updates on the stock market and increase the basic understanding of the market and use it to have a wonderful future. All the best, guys. Thank you. This is Anand Chol.